Guys, good morning. This is Stefan with M88 Realty. And today, actually, there are a lot of people, a lot of families who are wanting to rent a place, a house, a beautiful house here in Pristina. We've been receiving a lot of inquiries, and we want to show you this one available rental unit, which is 75,000 per month in rental. It has 105 square meters of lot area and 147 square meters of floor area. So let's discover the inside and the bedrooms and all that. Let's go. So we have a two-car garage over here. You can even put two SUVs, just arrange them properly. And on your left side, we got the path to the entrance, the main entrance of the house. As you can see, it has a beautiful balcony with a glass railing, very wide. It's actually a mid-unit, guys, because it's a group of 3 houses, 2 end units and 1 mid-unit, which is this one. Let's go. Now, the owner had placed a water softener, okay, so which is very useful for the water supply, regulates the calcium. So let's take off our shoes. We have a very thick wooden entrance door. By the way, before you enter, we've got storages for your shoes right here. Good space enough for all your shoes. Let's take the kitchen first, right, before we go to the living area. Now, from your right as well, you got very big storage for drawers and cabinets right here. And then we've got a toaster, microwave oven. We got water dispenser as well, a glass 6-seater dining area. And as to your right, there's a French design mirror, which makes this place a very spacious place, right? Go straight to the kitchen. We've got a lot of overhead cabinets under as well, a beautiful oven, right? And then all these outlets over here, kitchen tools, everything will be included in the rental contract right here. Granite countertop. We've got a huge faucet as well. This one goes to the back of the house, in which you will have your service area right here. So right here you got your the place where you can, the area for hanging your clothes. Oh, before I forget, you got the maid's room over here, and the maid's room has its own toilet and bath. Right here. So for your maids and helpers needs, it has the toilet and bath. So that's with a shower already, toilet, sink. It has a plastic cabinet as well here for the clothes. So everything is pretty much complete for your helper or your maid. Let's try to go back inside. This is a screen door, so it makes the air come in as well. Kindly notice this very thick chair or stall, elongated stall for your dining area. It's pretty much very nicely interior house. And we go to the living area. Now you notice this very nice enclosure of the living area. Look at this. This is pure wood by Kenneth and Mack. It's a sliding one. Look at this. It's pretty much very secure. If you lock this, you'll be protected from the living area. Look at that. Very big opening as well. Glass is thick. So welcome to the living area. We got a huge TV over here and speakers. Very, very spacious. You've got a center table. This is the sofa, the couch, or you can actually use this as a bed as well. We got a comfortable leather chairs here as well, in which you can recline, put your feet forward as well. So you got your movie time over here, or watching your favorite sports. It has a air conditioning as well, and if you don't want to use the AC, you can also use this fan with chandelier, right? Very spacious for your party needs, or just chilling with beer and champagne if you want to. All right, so this part, still within the living area, is the storage area. So you can, look, the owner had put the water gallons over there. Now we have this one. Here is the powder room. See, we have a sink, nicely nice shelves there over with figurines, and the sink as well. And without further ado, from the living area, let's go straight to the stairs. Not so steep stairs, wooden, made of wood. Let's go to the bedrooms. Without further ado, we got a wooden floor, very nice, very neat. This place is always maintained. The owner is very meticulous with the cleanliness of the space. We got a common shower, toilet and bath with a shower enclosure, glass shower enclosure as well, sink and toilet. So this will be used by the two regular bedrooms. This is one of the regular bedrooms. Look at this, right? On your left, we have a huge wardrobe cabinet. You see? And we have a huge bed here, and on your right is your study area. Make it your vanity corner as well. Do whatever you do. You got an AC too over there. Nice lighting, very bright space, very positive vibe. Let's go to the next bedroom. This is the hallway. We got more than a meter of hallway. Welcome to the next bedroom. On your left is the wardrobe cabinet. I mean, that's the right, I'm sorry, right. Okay, and this one is your bed. We got a view from this window, you get a view of the outside of Pristina. And you can see there, that's the, what do you call this? AC as well, provided for this particular room. And very nice curtains as well. And without further ado, I'm excited to show you the master bedroom. Let's go. So the master bedroom is in between the two regular rooms. Here you go. We have a large bed over here. And to your left, we got a huge TV as well. If you want to watch TV while you're lying down on the very comfortable bed. We got a reclining chair as well. It's also a rocking chair. You got a place to relax in this place, in this particular area. We go to, let me close this one. Right, this is the wardrobe cabinet for the master bedroom and the toilet and bath. The master bedroom has its own toilet and bath. There. The shower has a glass enclosure. Right, we got an awning window over there for you to let the air in. And this is the best part of master bedroom. Let's open it. It's the balcony. Come outside. So that is what you see outside this balcony. You can actually put your little table and then two chairs probably, or you can actually use this place for you to chill out. So again, this is 75,000 pesos per month, and we'll talk about the details of the contract as well. If you're interested, please let us know. We will show you the contact numbers, and then we'll show you in the next home tour. See you.